This genius little trick works way better than you think. 1. Bucket handle digging into your hand. Clip a wrench onto the handle. Now carrying it won't hurt your hand. 2. A brick clamp made by an old construction worker. One quick squeeze and it lifts multiple bricks at once. Saves effort. Protects your hands. 3. Add a weighted brick behind an iron plow. Increase downward pressure. Plow runs more steadily, making trench digging much smoother. 4. Bring a bag of clean water when working outdoors. Wash your feet as soon as you're done. Simple and convenient. No more searching for a place to clean up. 5. Rest a cement bag across a wooden pole. Cut a slit in the middle of the bag. Leave the bottom uncut. Tie a rope to both ends of the pole. Now the cement can be carried with ease. 6. Pull the bike pump handle up to your hip level. Compare it with the pedal position. That's the ideal saddle height for a comfortable riding posture. 7. Bike grips stuck too tightly. Slide a few cable ties underneath. Reduce the friction and remove or install them by hand with ease. 8. Spring too tight to hook on. Loop a rope around the spring. Give it a gentle pull. The spring slips right into place.